What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this one, I want to talk about the cryptocurrency market because things are looking honestly pretty good. And I can't complain, seeing the markets finally run, finally make some moves while I'm at least at the computer. Right, I see some moves where it's up 1%, 2%, some moves where it's slightly up, right, 0.5%, or mostly down, right, down by 3%, 5%, 7%. So it's great to finally see some positivity as we're sitting here at the desk. So we're going to get into the market, why it's making these moves, as well as the movements that it's actually making. So if you could, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter or follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Don't forget about my link for BTCC down below. It honestly is a really, really good platform. If you guys want to go and check it out, the link to that is in the description. It honestly is a very, very good platform to where you can get an extra bonus if you sign up using my link. So if you decide to use my link, you'll get a 10% deposit bonus as well as extra bonuses up to $10,055, 40% lower trading fees. You can trade all the way up to a 500x leverage. So feel free to check it out. Link is down there at the top of the description. Also, thank you to anybody that joined my live stream this morning. I want to live stream a lot more, but it's been difficult as I have, the kids and taking the kids to school and trying to stay up, especially now. I'm getting up there in age. My birthday just passed. Now I'm 34, so I got to go to sleep at like 9:30. It seems like I get tired. I take naps during the day. Right? That's just how it goes when you get older. No, but seriously, I want to live stream a lot more, and I think I can do it. I'll try and move some things around, and we'll do some more consistent live streams. But thank you to the people that joined the live stream today. Anyways, check out my link for BTCC. What we're talking about here today is the market. The market is looking good after seeing a lot of negativity that was going on with the tariffs, and then finally seeing a little bit of positivity, a bounce back because of the opposite side of that. Well, not the opposite side, but the reversal of the tariffs, or at least a pause on the tariffs, and it made the markets move in a positive direction, stock market, crypto market. And this morning, we kind of saw a little bit of inverse movement, which was very, very interesting, where the price of Bitcoin and many other things were actually, seeing a little bit of an increase compared to the stock market, where the stock market wasn't really moving in that direction, right? So Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies were on the rise Monday, with the largest digital coin on 1 point, reaching the highest level since President Donald Trump's announcement of reciprocal tariffs. There could be even more upside. The move comes as major U.S. stock indexes fall, weighed down by escalating trade tensions between the U.S. and China, and Trump's renewed attacks on Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell on the trade front. The Chinese officials warned countries negotiating with the White House that they will face retaliatory tariffs from China if they strike deals that harm Beijing. On the Fed, the president accused Powell of being politically motivated. So seeing again on Monday that stocks fell, seeing cryptocurrency was rising a little bit, but now we're seeing cryptocurrency retake some of these levels, right? It retakes a $90,000 mark as investors return to crypto. So just something brief. I don't think I can continue reading because maybe I can. BTCC is currently trading right around $91,000 as investors flood back into crypto investments. Analysts say that investors appear to be returning to digital assets and tokens as the US dollar languishes at the 3-year low and stock markets remain volatile. Bitcoin, which is the biggest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, has now gained 7% in the last 2 trading days, and at its highest level since March 6th of this year. BTC hit an all-time high, just above $109,000 on January 2nd, or January 20th. It sounds a little crazy to hear and see that it hit over $100,000, but we all knew that this was coming eventually. The day of U.S. President Donald Trump's inauguration, over the past month, the cryptocurrency's price has languished around $80,000, but it is now off its April low by about 22%, which is great to see. Rising tide appears to be lifting all boats in cryptocurrency sectors. Other popular digital tokens such as Ethereum, Dogecoin are up 8% each on April 22nd. Crypto is rising as the U.S. dollar continues to slip lower. The U.S. dollar index is down about 10% in 2025, its worst start to a year. So again, we're seeing some movement, we're seeing some positivity. It's great to see that. Let's look at it in depth and stop going into these articles. Let's see what's happening in the market. So currently, the crypto market, if I refresh, is up by about 5%, 4.76%. It's up to a $2.85 trillion market cap, and we're seeing Bitcoin's dominance still see increases. That's not something that I see as the biggest benefit or the best thing in the world, because it shows that Bitcoin is up a massive amount. Other things aren't up as much, and we're not seeing true altcoin season happen. So obviously, we're still waiting on altcoin season. We're still waiting for those things to happen. But Bitcoin's dominance is sitting around 63.6%, which is not the worst thing in the world. It's just it would be better if it was lower, because then other things are starting to come up. But again, Bitcoin is around $91,280 or $278, up 5% in 24 hours, 8% in the last 7 days. Ethereum is up by 8% today, up to about 1,700 versus the last 7 days being up 5%. XRP is up by 3.77%, up by 2% in the last 7 days. BNB is up by 2%. Solana is up by 7%. Great to see that movement there. 13% in the last 7 days. 9% for Dogecoin, 10% in the last 7 days, almost 11%. Avalanche is up by 5%. And Chainlink is up, Avalanche is up by 8%, and Chainlink is up by 6% today. Some bigger movements that we're seeing within the market. Fartcoin is up by 23% to a $1 billion market cap, over $1 billion. Immutable is also up by 18%, 16% for CRV. Bonk is also up by 14%. I would imagine you're seeing some major movement in some meme coins. Chronos, great to see it above 9 cents again. Same thing goes for Caspa, above 9 cents at 11% there. Memes, officially, some meme coins, the biggest meme coins, Dogecoin again up by 9%, Shiba Inu up by 7%, Pepe 8%, official Trump is about 10%, 14% for Bonk, 23% for Fartcoin, and 7% for Floki, 8% for Dog with Hat as well. So we're seeing some major movement, and it's great to finally see it. I'm very hyped, very happy about it. I'm not making any moves right now. I'm not selling anything, but I just wanted to make everyone know that things are finally moving, and it's great to see. And hopefully we continue to see that. After tax season is over, we start to see money that flows into the markets. And that's what I've been saying this entire build up to actual tax day, is that after you start to see the money flow back into the market as people start to obtain more money after paying whatever taxes that they had to pay on the gains that they've had, on things that they have, whatever, right? Paying these taxes on your different income that you have during the year, and finally going through where people have to pay taxes. They typically wait till the last day. Obviously, when people receive money, some sort of income, they're looking to do it as soon as possible because you're getting a little bit extra money. But you finalize those taxes on tax day. I did mine a little bit early. I believe I finished it in March, or it might have been February. It was March. And, I'm I'm happy with the fact that I was able to finish it, because then I had a little bit of funds to throw somewhere. But now is the time where many people will start to invest more money. So anyways, let me know what you think about where the market is right now. Are you excited about seeing this type of movement, seeing a lot of green in the market? Do you believe this is going to continue? But guys, if you could, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. And also check out my links down below for Patreon, for Twitter, and for BTCC. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.